Welcome to our updated guide on how to hide your university information on Facebook. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your educational background private. Whether you're looking to maintain a professional image or just prefer to keep some details to yourself, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. From the menu, you'll want to navigate to your profile. This is where all your personal information is stored, including your education details. Now tap on the Edit Profile option. This will allow you to make changes to various aspects of your profile. Scroll down until you reach the Details section, and then tap Edit. This is where the magic happens. Under the Education category, you'll see your university listed. Look for the little pencil icon next to your university's name. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap. Here's the crucial part. Tap on the Privacy button. This controls who can see your university information. You'll see a list of options, but for maximum privacy, we're going to select Only Me. Finally, don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. And there you have it. Your university information is now hidden from prying eyes on Facebook. Remember, you can always change these settings back if you decide you want to share your educational background in the future. Facebook's privacy settings are flexible, allowing you to control your online presence. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Facebook privacy. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.